Let's add students to your class. Once you create a class, you will automatically be placed on the roster page. Here, you will be provided with a unique class link for that class. You can simply copy the link and share it with your students. Once students use the link, they are able to join your class. If they are brand new to Get More Math, they will need to select Get Started. Here they will fill in the information that is needed to create the account. If students have a Get More Math account, they will need to select I already have an account and fill in their username and password to join your class. You are also able to manually add students to your class. If students already have a Get More Math account, you can search for student by selecting the choice on the left. Go ahead and type in their name in the search bar, and we will provide all information we can so you can decide that is the correct student and add them to your class. Or you can simply create new accounts for your students. Type in their first name and last name and continue to add students by choosing the Add Another button. Once all students have been added, choose Submit, Continue, and Done. Take note of the icons in the upper right. You can view the class link, you can add students to your class, or you can print your class roster.